Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the next problem on type 2b. So this is our question. So if you see, this is a very complex integration and we are not given the limits. Instead, we are given the region R, and the region R is the positive quadrant of ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So first we will draw what is this ellipse. So this ellipse is nothing but something in this way. So this is our ellipse. It is symmetric about all the axes. So we have to consider only positive quadrant. Our region R is only the positive quadrant. So we are going to consider only this part for our integration. But if you see here, this is a very complex integration. So it is very difficult to solve this type of integration. So as I have told you, whenever we have x square term and y square term in addition, we always convert Cartesian coordinates into polar coordinates. So we put x equal to AR cos theta, because for ellipse we put x equal to AR cos theta, y equal to BR sin theta, then dx into dy will be a into b and r dr d theta. So this is the basic substitution. Then we calculate what is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. When we put x square equal to AR cos theta here, so a square will get cancelled, we get r square cos square theta, plus when we put this BR sin theta instead of y, so it will be b square, so b square will get cancelled and we get r square sin square theta. So we can take r square common, and inside the bracket it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta, which will be 1. So this is nothing but r square. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to r. What is the equation of ellipse? Equation of ellipse is this, that is this term equal to 1. So equation of ellipse is r square equal to 1, then r is 1. This is the equation of ellipse in polar coordinates. So we have to find the limits of the integration. At the same time we have to cover this area. So in polar coordinates we consider one ray, or we consider one radial strip. So this is the radial strip. One end of the radial strip is on the origin and the other end is on the ellipse, so that we are covering this entire length. So this end is r equal to 0, then this equation of ellipse will be r equal to 1, as we have found here. Now we have to cover this entire region, so we will rotate this strip from this point till this point. So this will be our rotation. So we are rotating from this point to this point. What is theta here? So theta here is nothing but 0, and here theta is nothing but pi by 2. So we are rotating this strip from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi by 2, so that we cover this entire region. So our integration will become integration of theta going from 0 to pi by 2, r is going from 0 to 1, then x is nothing but AR cos theta, y is nothing but BR sin theta, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is nothing but r square, the whole raised to n upon 2 into dx dy, so into this term, that is AB r dr d theta. So this integration will remain as it is. AB and AB will be a square b square, r will be r cube, and here will be cos theta into sin theta into r square, the whole raised to n by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so we get r raised to n. So now our integration will become integration of theta going from 0 to pi by 2, r going from 0 to 1, and here we have a square b square, which is constant, so we can write here a square b square. Then we have r cube and r raised to n. So r cube into r raised to n will be r raised to 3 plus n, so we get r raised to n plus 3. Then we have cos theta into sin theta dr d theta. So now if you see, in this limits of integration we do not have any theta terms, neither in theta limits we have r terms. So integration of theta and are independent of each other. So we integrate a square b square, integration of theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi by 2, cos theta into sin theta, we are going to combine these two terms, so we get cos theta into sin theta, and this will be another integration. that is r is going from 0 to 1, r raised to n plus 3 dr. Because we do not have any theta terms or r term here, so we are going to integrate these two terms separately.